We're going to have Cleveland. We'll do Cleveland first just because they didn't sell. Get them out of the way. Then it's going to be Buffalo, Green Bay, and Pittsburgh. Yeah, little Pappy. All those teams. Cleveland, Buffalo, Green Bay, and Pittsburgh. Thank you, eBay. I just saw a couple people that just got in the room, and I just want to make sure that they're not on an ad or stuck. Sea Swirl and the Man 912. In case they want to bid. Give it another 30 seconds, and then we'll get started. Sea Swirl and the Man. If you're through your ad, just let me know. You're there? What about you, the Man? You're there. All right. So I think everyone's in the room because I've seen everyone else pretty much type. So we're going to start off. For those of you that haven't done this with me, I'll type in that the auction is live. On Cleveland, we're going to do a starting bid of $1. And no, I will not pay you to take Cleveland. Dollar increments. The price you bid is everything, including shipping. You don't have to worry about anything else. So, and then when there's 10 seconds left, I'll type in 10, 9, 8, down to 0. Once I type in 0, the last... Wow, you guys are bidding already. The last one is the winner. So, let's get started. It's up to 3. Yeah, that's going to wash out. That's not going to work. There we go. This is for Cleveland. I don't want to hold the timer in front of the camera because I know the delays. So I'll type in when there's 30 seconds. $5 is the high bid on Cleveland. Don't go too high on Cleveland. You want to save your money for the big teams. Although you can go as high as you want. I'll take it. $6. Purple. You are the winner for Cleveland. All right, let's move on to Buffalo next. We'll start Buffalo at $1 as well. So 1 minute. And I do have a bid for Buffalo, so if the high bid does not go above it, I will honor that bid as I told the gentleman I would. Boom, Jacob, jumping it up. Well, you've outbid the bid I have for Buffalo, so whatever goes is what goes. $30 seconds left. $15 the high bid on Buffalo. Up to 17. 17. Jacob, you get Buffalo. $1 million. You just missed it, the man. Very funny. There's the PayPal address if you want to send payment now, but we're going to do Green Bay next. And again, I have an email bid for Green Bay. If the bid does not go above it, I will honor it. It's a fan. $18 on Green Bay. Again, I do have an online one too. We haven't reached that yet. Okay, John, 22. That beats the online bid as well, so you win it. I'll give it to you for 21 since that would have been the next increment up in this case. Gift is fine. Gift is preferred, but just because you've already, I know you're already in this break too, so I already have your address. I'm not worried about that. So yeah, gift works for me. Okay. Pittsburgh's going right now. Let me send the email one more time. That's the PayPal. And I have a bid for Pittsburgh too, so if it gets above that, that's fine. If it doesn't, that bid will stand. Didn't pull any Pittsburgh out of the first half of the case. I know that. You're above my online bid at this point, so whatever goes here is it. Up to 20 from the man. This is the last one, little Pappy. Come on. Oh. Who's the high bid? The man at 20. You got it. Let me send that email again one more time. All right, I believe you. Let me just check my emails quick. Little Pappy, you're going to get a team. I know you are, one of these breaks. Lopez, you still there? No, I didn't. That's what I was going to ask you. If you're having trouble sending it or not. No, we just sold off the last spots of the break. D. John Aaron. Sorry about that. No problem, Lopez. I trust you. You've been in almost every one of my breaks, too, so I know you're not going anywhere. Okay. No problem. Thank you, man. Yeah, I just got it. I'll try. I'll try EJ and Glennon. Alrighty, Lopez. We'll get started with the break. We'll figure out your you can, I trust you. I know you'll figure out the PayPal. If I have to wait till June 11th, okay. We'll just stay. I'll just hold cards until I get it. No big deal. $5 bonus for EJ. All right. Well. Oh wait, I forgot to hit record on this one. I always do that. Good luck, everyone. You know you're not asking for much, are you? Luck Manning, Montana. All right. I've ripped a few cases of this. I haven't pulled a luck yet, other than one box I bought back when it first came out on my own. Good luck to everyone. There's our 4 packs. Empty box. Single packs, book packs. We'll do the singles first, as always. First card. Ooh, that's a nice one. For the Raiders, number 10 of 10, Darren McFadden. Darren McFadden, number 10 of 10. Come on, this camera's not going to focus tonight, is it? It always has trouble focusing when the number's on a dark color. There we go. I kind of see it. 10 of 10 there. Well, that's a good hit for the Raiders. The price they made out that they went for, they did okay there. Boom. That's a nice way to start with a boom. 10 of 10. Hopefully this is one of those short print boxes. Had one of them last case where the highest number was 25. Well, it's red, so it's not a short print. Jonathan Banks, Tampa Bay. It's not Glennon, but it's a Tampa Bay card. Number 262 of 299. Jonathan Banks. 2 autos. No mammoth patch. Good. All right. Let's do the first book here. And the first book. Stedman Bailey, St. Louis Rams. Ooh, it is a short print. Nice patch, number 2 of 25. 3 colors. Kind of a nice auto. I guess that says Bailey somewhere in there. Very nice card. Little boom with the short print. Not the receiver you want out of, not the one we're looking for, I guess. Austin would have been better, but can't complain. That's you, C-Swirl? Good. I like when people in the room get the hits, too. Oh, and speaking of, Tavon Austin. Both books. Yeah, it's a patch, but it's still Tavon Austin with the thread hanging out. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Numbered 15 of 199. It's a 3D patch with that thread sticking out, I guess you can call it. Wow. 2 St. Louis books. That covers it. That's good. All right, box number 2. I'd like to see it down and dirty or something like that with a Nike swoosh. One of those Flywire books would be nice. Hand-drawn play. Come on, something. Something to screen boom for. There's the 4 packs. Another CPAT that signed C-Flash would be nice to see. Empty box. As long as it's an EJ Manuel. I haven't pulled a Lacey from this either. We're due. I wish I had control of it to get that $5 bonus. All right, we got a green one. 1 of 5. Robert Alford for the Atlanta Falcons. It's a short print. I don't know. Can't say that I know him. I'm not a big Atlanta fan, but it's 1 of 5. eBay 1 of 1 with an ultra short print. There you go, purple. Maybe he'll be the next Richard Sherman or something. All these quarterbacks just need to learn to open their mouth like that. This one feels a little thicker. It's probably a patch. That it is. It is a mammoth patch. Niall Davis, Kansas City Chiefs. Numbered 23 of 99. So I can get that in. It's the single color patch, 23 of 99. I think you have to be a Falcons fan to know who that is. No offense to him, but I thought I was a pretty decent football guy. I know the man. You're a big Jaguars fan. There's not many of you out there. It's easy to remember you. All right, here we go. Ooh, Deion Jordan again. We had him in the first half of the case. Another auto. This one's not as short as the first one was, but 3 color. Numbered 55 of 271. Still don't understand why the Eagles couldn't work out a deal for him. He'd fit their defense perfectly. All right, now it's EJ time, right? That's who you're calling. He's got to come out. Keep saying his name loud enough. Sorry, it's not EJ time, but someone else will be happy on this one. Someone who I think couldn't make the break tonight. Giovanni Bernard. Giovanni Bernard. Nice. That's 3 colors because there is a little black in the corner. It's a strange auto from him. Off to the side like that. Number 238 of 271. And even the white is kind of 2-color on that with the 2 different materials. That's a boom. Giovanni. Halfway done. We still need EJ. We need Manning. We need a lot of guys. Got 8 cards to go and like 12 guys to pull, I think. Glennon at least. Come on, we still got 8 cards. You can't give up on EJ that quick. And settle for Glennon. There's the 4 empty spots. All right. Oh, we got Montana to pull too. I think that was asked for as well. All right, well, we've got Pittsburgh. Landry Jones short print, numbered 3 of 10. That pays for the Pittsburgh Steelers at 20. Number 3 of 10, Landry Jones. Not too sure. I don't know much about him either. If he'll ever get to play, with Big Ben in there. That's one to hold on to probably, just in case. There you go, the man. You stole that one. Getting a lot of short prints out of this half of the box. I'm liking it. Still need to see some big names though. All right, we got a Mammoth patch here. Couldn't have a break without Tyler Eifert. Tyler Eifert, numbered 85 of 99. 85, that's his number, I believe, so that's a jersey number card. Cincinnati with another hit. All right, first book, here we go. EJ, Glennon, Lacey, Luck. What's it gonna be? None of them. It's Monty Ball. Denver Broncos. Auto, number 41 of 49. Another short print. 3-color, because there is a little orange in the corner. And that is a very tight autograph. A lot squeezed in there. See if I can get that number better. 41 of 49. That's spreading the love batch. You got one there. It's not Peyton, but it'll do. Monty Ball auto. Gotta say, I'm very satisfied with this half so far. It can get better. Well, that's not an EJ color. Sorry. That is Marcus Wheaton. Pittsburgh with another hit. That's a patch, numbered 108 of 199. If this guy gets on the field this year, we'll see how he can do. There you go, the man. You get another hit there. Still haven't got your Jaguars, but last box. We got 10 guys to pull out of 4 packs, hopefully. And I don't think that Playbook has any multi-teams. So I don't think we're getting them all. Oop, that one fell down. You know, we didn't get out of this case a redemption. Every case I've had has had a redemption in it. There's a lot of rookies. Yeah, I mean, it's the same as all the other sets. You don't get as many as the other guys as far as the books go. But the autograph cards have a lot of the rookies that you never heard of. Now, this guy's someone we've heard of. Dallas Cowboys. Another short print. Terrence Williams, number 9 of 10. 9 of 10. Dallas Cowboys. Very nice card. Boom! That's a boom. Any Dallas hit. I'm an Eagles fan. I can't stand the Cowboys, but any Dallas hit's a boom anymore. Their fans are nuts. They do have veterans. They have Montana in here. I've pulled Larry Zonka out. So they have some retired stuff. I know they have Andrew Luck, RG3 books. Same thing with the autos. We pulled a Jay Cutler auto before. AJ Green. This feels a little thick here. I don't know what's in this. Oh, we got a redemption. We got a redemption. Let's see if I can be dramatic with this. If I can focus in on it. Playbook. Ooh, platinum. I think that's a short. I think that's numbered to 10, isn't it? Card number 9. Peyton Manning. Boom! That's a boom. That is a huge boom. I'm pretty sure the platinums are numbered to 10. I'm not positive of that. Sorry if I got a little loud in there, but batch, there you go. Playbook, booklet, signature, platinum. That is a huge boom. I know there's still 2 books, but I want to look up what that platinum is real quick. Unless anyone else already knows. I've never met you, but I love you too. I mean, you'll have to wait a year to get it if you want it, but or you could sell the redemption. It's 25 on platinum? That's fine. It's still Peyton Manning. I could have swore they were 10. Oh, yeah, they are 25. Sorry to get you worked up there, but it's still numbered to 25, Peyton Manning signature book. The last hit, it was the Peyton Manning redemption book, signature book, platinum. Last one sold for $375. Well, Batch, you're set tonight. Now you got to call out the EJs and all the other stuff. Before the Peyton Manning was the Terrence Williams, number 9 to 10. Yeah, that's when paying more money for the big teams pays off. I mean, there's a lot of breaks where it doesn't, but you hit one of them, it's huge. That's a big boom. All right. Let's see if we can get EJ here. No, that's Stedman Bailey again. That's green. Numbered 1 of 10. Tell you what, this has been a killer case. Number 1 of 10, 2 color because there's white on the top border. Stedman Bailey. Auto. Green. Stedman is everywhere, but I'm sure that there's no complaints tonight other than that's the second Stedman, third St. Louis, because we had the Tavon patch. All right, here we go. Last card out of the case. Andre Ellington. Sorry, no EJ. No EJ tonight. We got an Andre Ellington patch, numbered 191 of 199. Andre Ellington. Well, gentlemen, I mean, I got to say, that was probably the best 4 boxes in a row that I've ever opened out of the Playbook. Normally you get 1 or 2 good boxes. That was killer. Makes me want to buy another case and break it with you guys next week. Now I might consider it. I was thinking that this was it for me for the Playbook this year, but after that, I don't know. Take it easy, Jacob. I'm going to catch one of your breaks soon. You seem to be we never seem to catch each other at the right time. All right, let me run through this one more time with you. All right, little Pappy, I'll buy another case. Come on, it's not going to focus in on that Peyton Manning redemption. That's the Peyton Manning. The Terrence Williams, number 9 to 10, auto. The Tyler Eifert, jersey number, Mammoth patch, 85 and 99. The Landry Jones, number 3 of 10. The Mammoth patch of Nile Davis, number 23 and 99. That's not his jersey number, though. The Robert Alford, number 1 of 5, auto. The Jonathan Banks, number 262 and 299. And the Darren McFadden, number 10 of 10. There were the autos and the single cards. We had the Stedman Bailey book. I'm not going to open all these books unless you guys want to see them. That one was numbered to 10, was it? The Marcus Wheaton patch book. The Monty Ball, numbered to 49, I believe it was, because it's gold. The Giovanni Bernard, numbered to 271, I believe. The Deion Jordan, that was also numbered to 271, I believe. Oh, you want to see the ball? You got it. Monty Ball, 41 of 49. Come on, focus in on me. Let me drop it. Oh, come on. Hold on, let the camera think for a second. All right. It's still not thinking right. Come on. The man just wants to see his Monty Ball card. Let me move the angle here. It's good? All right. Sorry, I'm trying. There's Monty Ball. We had the Tavon Austin patch. The other Stedman Bailey, I think that one was numbered to 25. And the Andre Ellington patch. Well, guys, that was a good break. I apologize if you did not get any hits. I will still mail cards out to you if you did not. If you do not want me to mail cards out to you, email me tomorrow, and I will refund your shipping. All right, no problem, Lopez. I know you're good for it. I know you didn't get a hit tonight, but I still trust you'll get it to me. Yeah, if you want me to refund the shipping, I'll do that instead of sending cards. Otherwise, I'll send cards. I'll try to take care of you. And based on, I mean, if you paid $20 for a team you didn't get a hit, I'll try to send you something that makes you not feel so bad. But other than that, I got nothing else tonight to break. I will not be around this weekend to break anymore. And after this, it looks like I'll be buying another case of Playbook tomorrow. I'll probably do it the same way I did this one, where I'll do a half a case at a time. This one would have been a half case, but a guy wanted to buy a box, so I couldn't say no. He gave me a good price on it. He picked the wrong box after seeing these cards tonight, though. So hopefully I will, if you're not on my email list, I'll try to add you, and I'll let you know when the next auctions are up. Thank you all for being here, and I will get to uploading this on YouTube so you can rewatch it over and over again and admire your hits. And Batch, if you want me to hold on to that Peyton Manning, I'll hold on to it for you, but otherwise I'll ship it right away. Take care, everyone. Cards will go out tomorrow, so you'll get them early next week. Yep, Little Pappy, I'll see you at the next break. All right, no problem. You know I'll ship it. You'll definitely get it. That was a sweet card. That's, yeah, you got that in it. You definitely got a steal tonight. So, all right. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you later.